Here. There. Now pour it. Pour it on the side like that.
Throw it up in the air and then cover them in bacon.
No, we're not throwing anything.
No, I told them to say no. Everything that misses, put it on him.
Dude, no. He's gonna turn into acid. I'm not kidding.
Stop.
Marcus, it's not your property. It's my property. You owe me $1 for the service. And another $10 for the video.
Got a lot of things, so they don't think you haven't even a cup.
RC wants it 4 times.
Good job.
Keep going! Don't give up. I think it's coming.
See it bubbling. Okay, I think if you stop pouring, isn't it bubbling?
No,
okay,
yeah.
keep pouring.
A cap. Let's try one of these caps. Not right now. Can we use some of that? Yeah. Before it goes down.
I think you guys needed to add more baking soda.
Here, keep adding.
Okay, go ahead.
Hurry.
There we go! Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, keep pulling on it. It's flooding. The guy got knocked off his feet. Where's that lid? Okay, wait! I am.
Just leave it here.
He's already dead.
You know that thing melts my Lego man?
I'm dying.
Owie.
You like this? I'm dying.
Yeah, you're
Don't touch him.
Oh, get the
There's no weird.
Our volcano broke.
I can never use that Lego ever again, apparently. I can never use that Lego again. Sorry.
Ew, it feels weird.
Come on.
You feel weird. Why are you screaming? Exploded. It exploded.
Did you get on video?
Yes.